Hey, Gregory from Craft Graft here. Welcome to your overview of the Shuttle Framework and Solution. It saves companies money by removing the risk of app crashes caused by passing serializable data larger than Android's limit. When passing this data through intents or bundles for navigating to a new activity, restoring the instance state, or other actions, if the data is larger than the limit, the app crashes with a crazy, uncatchable transaction too large exception. The typical approach to fixing this issue includes debugging and refactoring code to decrease the data size, or reviewing code and logs to reduce the risk of it occurring again. Across many companies, I've observed and experienced how this process to fix the data size quickly becomes cyclical. What happens then is companies spend too much time and money to address the issue in multiple locations and review code to remove the chances of this happening again, just to find out that they have to do it all over again the next month or two as the data models grow. So why should companies keep losing money by repeating the same steps to prevent crashes from this crazy exception? Businesses need seamless, reliable experiences, and they should get that. This is why I created Shuttle, to provide a reliable and consistent way to pass data, empowering companies to save money. You might be thinking, Shuttle is a framework. I just want to use it. I don't want to customize it. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Shuttle is a solution building block. You should be able to just use it as a product and along with your other products to save money. I provide AR and jar files as dependency artifacts in Maven Central. Why not save money by using Shuttle to pass data? Shuttle takes its name from cargo transportation in the freight industry. Moving and storage companies experience scenarios where large moving trucks cannot transport cargo to the destination, like warehouses and houses. These scenarios might occur from road restrictions, trucks being overweight from large cargo, and more. As a result, companies use small shuttle vans to transport smaller cargo groups on multiple trips to deliver the entire shipment. They will shuttle cargo from large moving trucks or the owner's residence or business to the warehouse or destination. After completing the delivery, employees remove the cargo remnants from the shuttle vans and trucks. This cleanup task is one of the last steps of the job. The Shuttle Framework takes its roots in these scenarios, creating a smaller cargo bundle object to use it in successfully delivering the data to the destination and shuttling corresponding large cargo to a warehouse. Second, storing it for pickup. Third, creating an identifier for the stored cargo. Fourth, providing a single source of truth to use for transporting cargo. And then using the cargo identifier at the destination to retrieve the cargo from the warehouse. And last, providing convenience functions to remove cargo either automatically or on demand after delivery. When I ideated, designed, and implemented the architecture, I ensured a good balance of trade-offs with quality attributes and best practices like usability, readability, reusability, maintainability, and more. When I think of architecture with components and modules, I think of solution building blocks, a term from EA, and I relate them to building with Legos. With Shuttle, I broke the modules into the following conceptual building blocks. We have first the framework, which is the core essential solution components to get started, with integration modules, which contain the necessary bridging code to integrate different technologies into the framework. And then we have the integration extensions, which actually contains the solution code to complete that out, such as room for storing cargo data. And then last, we have the add-ons, which are built on top of the framework, and they provide ways to integrate technologies like Google's navigation component with Shuttle. And the design of the framework enables flexibility by not forcing particular technologies on consuming projects. So one example is the persistence extension with Room. Shuttle also provides some basic demo apps with different architecture patterns like MVVM and MVC. Now that we have discussed an overview of Shuttle, let's start by taking a look at how to ship cargo with it. When shipping freight, the driver determines the route information, determines the parameters for shipping the cargo to the destination, fills out paperwork, directs the team to load the cargo onto the shuttle or truck for transport, and drives the cargo to the destination. The Shuttle Framework takes a similar approach by calling the function intent cargo with and passing in the context and destination class references. Second, by setting the log tag. Next, by calling the transport function with the cargo ID and cargo references. Fourth, by calling the clean shuttle on return to function. And last, by calling the deliver function. The log tag provides the usual information like indicator of where it's generated from, like a screen. And the transport function sets up the cargo to be associated with the cargo ID that you provided. And just like how a freight delivery is completed with employees removing the trash and other cargo remnants from the shuttle vans and trucks, the Shuttle Framework empowers you to do something similar by providing a function for you to call. It's named clean shuttle on return to, and you just provide the start class, destination class, and cargo ID references. The deliver function does what the driver of the shuttle van does with the freight cargo. It delivers the cargo to the warehouse so it can be retrieved later. The app then navigates to the destination, and shuttle picks up the cargo from the warehouse for the destination. If the navigation add-on is used, transporting cargo is done a little differently. To transport the cargo, shuttle provides nav controller functions. Call the nav with shuttle function and pass in the shuttle interface reference along with the destination ID. The rest of the Fluent interface functions to call in the chain are the same as before. After the app navigates the destination, you can get the cargo by calling Shuttle's pickup cargo function. The data returned by the flow is of type shuttle pickup cargo result, which has 3 state types to support the loading content error design pattern. The cargo, or the content in LCE, is provided by the success state. Now, there are multiple ways for this crazy exception to be thrown. One of the other ways that we haven't covered yet is saving and restoring instant states. Shuttle also supports this functionality. When the onSave instant state function is called, just call Shuttle's bundle cargo with function and pass in the outstate bundle. Then Shuttle's interface functions can be chained together just like one does with navigation for transporting and delivering the cargo. Shuttle stores the cargo ID into this outstate bundle, and when the view is restored, the cargo then can be retrieved from the saved instance state. The cargo ID can be used to pick up the cargo just like one does with navigation to the destination. Thank you for joining me on this overview of the Shuttle Framework, which provides a seamless way for companies to save on costs for development and governance overhead to stop this crazy bug from destroying customer experiences. Does it make sense for you to use Shuttle? If you would like to discuss it more or find out about how Craft Graft can help you jump over your hurdles, reach out to getintouch@craftgraft.com. Thank you.